see. We're about 1,000 strong in the building today. You guys blew my mind. 4 minutes, registration closed. Woo! Now, you guys grab bikes and start building.
Champion for the 2012